Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Most Indian firms to increase cybersecurity budget in 2022, says PwC. A majority of Indian organizations are likely to increase their cybersecurity budget in 2022. As per the PwC's 2022 Digital Trust Insights Survey, the risk landscape is continuously evolving and organizations are investing more than ever in cybersecurity to manage their risks. As the business environment becomes more complex due to the interconnectedness of systems and information, the impact of a risk event is not limited, rather it has a domino effect with high consequences. Organizations are therefore gearing up to implement robust cybersecurity practices and controls to manage these risks. Moreover, 41% of organizations in India predict double-digit growth in their cyber budgets in 2022, as against 26% organizations globally, the survey said. The 2022 Global Digital Trust Insights is a survey of 3,602 business, technology, and security executives based in various regions. The India edition of the Global Survey report focuses on the responses of the executives of 109 Indian businesses. The survey further said organizations have invested in a multitude of cybersecurity tools and technologies to manage their cyber risks. However, these technologies are not utilized to their maximum potential for making intelligent, informed cyber risk management decisions, it added. It also showed that 4 out of 10 organizations have either initiated the implementation or are planning to invest in cybersecurity by focusing on areas such as customer identity and access management, zero trust architecture, managed security services, cloud security, and endpoint security. As per the survey, to date, only 25% of respondents in India have realized the benefits of their cyber investments. Experts reveal that with rising digitization, businesses have been compelled to rethink and reconfigure their cybersecurity objectives, which have become more complex. The survey also highlighted that 40% of the Indian respondents have implemented formal and mature data trust practices, including data governance, discovery, protection, and minimization within their organization. PwC further said that in the digital age, organizations with the highest level of digital trust have become the consumer's first choice. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. CCI approves acquisition of Exide Life by HDFC Life. The Competition Commission of India has approved acquisition of 100% shareholding in Exide Life Insurance Company Limited by HDFC Life Insurance Company under Section 31(1) of Competition Act 2002. The blockbuster deal is for 6,687 crore rupees, allowing HDFC Life to bolster its presence in South India, especially smaller towns, complementing its market footprint, and it will also provide access to a wider market. After completion of the share acquisition, Exide Life, which will be a wholly owned subsidiary of HDFC Life, is proposed to be merged with HDFC Life. Airtel gears to test 5G use cases for enterprises. Bharti Airtel said it is collaborating with global consulting and technology companies including Accenture, Amazon Web Services, Cisco, Ericsson, Google Cloud, Nokia, Tata Consultancy to test enterprise-grade use cases using high-speed, low-latency 5G networks. These solutions will be deployed on 5G test spectrum allotted to Airtel and include use cases like smart factory, smart healthcare, 5G powered quality inspection, digital twin, connected frontline workforce, and AR/VR based use cases, amongst others. It is already working with selected brands like Apollo Hospitals, Flipkart, and few manufacturing companies to demonstrate the 5G based solutions. PhonePe introduces tokenization to meet the compliance of December 31 deadline. PhonePe said that it has launched a tokenization solution for online debit and credit card transactions called PhonePe Safeguard. Tokenization refers to the replacement of actual card details with an alternate code called the token, which shall be unique for every debit or credit card, token requester, and device. PhonePe has joined card companies and payment companies like Visa, RuPay, Razorpay, and PayU in introducing tokenization solutions ahead of the December 31 deadline for the Reserve Bank of India's guidelines for payment aggregators and payment gateways. Amazon to launch 2 internet satellites by 2022. Amazon is getting ready to go to space as its 2 prototype satellites from Project Kuiper are scheduled to launch in the 4th quarter of 2022. That will formally kick off its competition with SpaceX, the space company owned by Elon Musk, and OneWeb, among other rivals, for beaming high-speed internet connections to customers from low Earth orbit. It will also be a crucial test of satellites design before the company launches thousands more devices into orbit. Amazon has pledged to spend at least $10 billion to build 3,236 such satellites through its Project Kuiper program. Coinbase acquires deep tech startup Agara. Cryptocurrency exchange platform Coinbase has acquired AI-powered support platform Agara for an undisclosed amount. The company has its operations in India and the US. It is the first acquisition in India by Coinbase. Agara automates end-to-end customer support operations for even the most complex kinds of queries. Its voice agents offer a tailored and holistic solution, fielding customer calls, engaging in troubleshooting processes, and providing a service extremely similar to human agents. Coinbase will utilize this technology to augment its existing product, engineering, and data teams. This acquisition is in line with the company's strategy to build a tech hub in India by way of enhancing customer experience on its platform. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.